So let's look at the last part, which is part 4. Now you're told that C1, the x-axis and the vertical asymptote of C2 where x is s. So basically this is C1 bounded by the x-axis and this vertical asymptote. This will be s. So this essentially here is s. Okay, so this is s. Now the thing is, you are told to find the C1 translated by 3 units in the negative x direction. So you want it to be the negative x direction. So I'm just going to copy the equation of C1, which is actually just x squared plus y squared equals to 25. If you want to move everything to the left, which is translation of in negative x direction by 3 units, so you are essentially replacing x with x plus 3. Okay, so this is okay. So this is x plus 3 square plus y square equals to 25. So this is a new equation that you're looking at. Okay, then next part is hence or otherwise find the volume of the solid obtained when s is rotated through 2 pi about the vertical asymptote. Okay, so this part here, if you're revolving about x-axis, the x equals to, so volume of s revolving the x equals to 3 line. Okay, so when you replace x with x plus 3 means the volume will be of s, right, will be revolving about the x equals to 0 line, which is actually the y-axis. Okay, so this is what you need to know, the y-axis. So you move everything 3 units to the left and it will just become the volume revolving about the y-axis. So you just imagine this part here, this will become the y-axis really. So this part here, what we need is actually to find what is this point here. So when x equals to 3, this y value here, because we need to know. Okay, I'm just going to visualize this out. So this is s. So once you move it up, this is s, right? So we need to know what is this value here. So this is when x equals to 3. When x equals to 3, and just side note, when x equals to 3, my y here would be y squared equals to 25 minus 9, 16, is it? 16, so y equals to negative 4 or 4 lah, but it's obviously negative 4. Here is negative 4. This is 3, negative 4. Right, so in other words, this will be negative 4 lah. So just take note. So you want to revolve around the rotated 2 pi vertical asymptote. So this one revolve here. You will just have to use the new equation. This new equation here is y squared equals to 25 minus x plus 3. So from 0, right? So the volume, required volume. You're not asked to find the exact one, right? Pi from negative 4 to 0. The negative 4 to 0, and you use y square x square dy. Oh, it should be x square dy. Yeah, so it's x square dy. So I need to change this to x square instead. Right, so this part here will just be x plus 3 square equals to 25 minus y square. This would be the negative 1 because it's below, and this would be negative 3x. I'm not taking the, should I take a positive x, or it's a positive x? Yeah, it's a positive x. Actually, yeah, minus 3. So once you get that, this is alright. You just have to minus 3 plus 25 minus y square dy. Key in calculator. Just key in calculator. You get this as let me key in calculator. You can key in calculator and check the answer. Okay. Key in as math integral number 9, and you just key in negative 4, 0, and key in the expression there. But obviously you have a pi in front, right? So square root, I'll multiply a pi later, so 25 minus y. If you want y or a, doesn't matter, y square. I'll just use x, okay? X square. Maybe I'll just delete this. X square, and square the whole thing. Just gonna square the whole thing. And I'm gonna put the x there, right? And multiply with pi. To 8.649. Alright. Okay, so that's how you do for the fourth part. Okay, any question, comments, please let me know. Keep practicing. See you in the next video.